Welcome back to Module 3. In this module, we'll show you how to easily create demos for your website using PagePilot. So, let's get started. First, open Google and search for
Fab Builder.
PagePilot. Click on the first link and start by clicking Try it free to access PagePilot. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Demos. Now, move to the top right corner and click on Create Demo. Here, enter your demo name, select your preferred language, and then click Next. You'll now be taken to the Demo Editor page. To create demos for your website, start by uploading media for reference. Next, select your web page and click anywhere on the screen to place your first tooltip. Note: if you go to the Layout section, you can build your demo from scratch by adding individual items from the list. Alternatively, you can go to Templates, choose any template you like, and click Use this template. Once selected, you can fully customize the template according to your needs. Edit the heading, subtext, and step content. Now, click Add. Next step and drag the selection to the area where you want the next tooltip to appear. Repeat the same process. Edit the text and position the tooltip. Add your third step and follow the same steps as before. After completing all the steps, your demo is ready. You can now publish your demo. If needed, you can also set a start date or end date before publishing. Click Publish, and your demo will go live. That's it! Your demo is now ready to share. Click the preview link below to easily preview the demo for your website. In the next video, I'll show you how to create tooltips for your app using PagePilot. See you in the next video. Bye!